Okay, so here we have a house with maybe some lead in it. And I'm looking all around the place. I'm just scratching my head, and it's like, what's a safe level of lead for my living space to be? None. Lead's poison. Let's get lead free. Because remember what we said, any color or kind of paint from pre 1978 is going to contain a lot of lead. And if we want to know the truth, and I do, then our best bet is to test the paint beneath this roof with a home lead test kit. Now you check the window, I'll check the door. You check the floor, I'll check the wall. Find out if we even have a lead paint problem here at all. Don't forget old furniture, kids' toys, picture frames. Lead hides in all these surprising places, and it's not playing games. All right, red means lead officially detected, and you guessed it. Next step, talk to the doc and get our blood lead level tested. Because what's a safe blood lead level for my family and for me? None. Lead's poison. Let's get lead free. And here's the thing, got lead, better get the kids tested too. My state mandates all kids tested ages 1 and 2. They say a blood lead level of 5 and above is possibly bad for the kids you love. But does that mean 4's safe? No. Lead's lead. No lead levels low. Because what's a safe blood lead level for my family and me? None. Lead's poison. Let's get lead free. So no resting. Get testing. Find that lead. Get all the facts in. Next step, we're going to take action.